This is the size of an ordinary Zhenan tree. And this is the size of a Zhenan tree king. In Yingjing County, Sichuan, there stands a 1,000-year-old ancient tree. According to research, this tree is over 1,700 years old. Welcome back to my channel, Storykeeper Yuli. On this trip to China, I'm taking you to see this millennium-old tree. The weather forecast wasn't quite right. It was supposed to clear up today. This ancient tree is located inside a temple. The temple has 5 main halls. This should be the grove of ancient trees. Doesn't this scene look like something straight out of the game Black Myth? Wukang? Yunfen Zen Temple. This one is the biggest. This must be it. It takes 8 adults to wrap their arms around it. But around the world, there are many tree species much larger than this. For example, the giant sequoias in the United States, the great chestnut trees in Europe, the baobab trees in Africa, and the banyan trees in Bengal with the largest canopies. Some trees even take 15 to 20 adults to encircle. Compared to those, the size of this Zhenan tree king is actually quite ordinary. So what exactly makes it so special? It mainly comes down to its medicinal value in traditional Chinese medicine and its artistic value. For example, Nanmu wood can be used to treat cholera-related vomiting and diarrhea. Boiling Nanmu with tonguewood in water can help reduce swelling and promote diuresis. It's also used as a building material and for crafting art pieces. The main load-bearing framework of this ancient temple is all built with Nanmu wood, including these plaques hanging on the walls. Some of them are also made from Nanmu. And then there's the wood carving craftsmanship. The main bodies of this 1,000-hand Guanyin and these Buddha statues are mostly carved from Nanmu. But the most important part is the root section. The cross-section of the root has highly three-dimensional grain patterns that look just like rippling water and flowing silk. People carve the roots into exquisite art pieces for display and everyday use. And because it has a natural fragrant Nanmu aroma, it's a natural insect repellent. That's why it's also used to make furniture. It keeps bugs and pests away. For example, the scripture storage pavilion in this temple is mostly built with Nanmu. That way, the scriptures are protected from insect damage. The temple isn't fully open to the public today, so I can't show you more of the interior. There's a small courtyard over here where you can see some of the architectural details. These two little cabins might be older than my grandfather. These are all typical wooden buildings with mortise and tenon joinery. The tenon is the protruding part of a component. The mortise is the recessed part. The core idea is to connect pieces by fitting the protrusions into the recesses. This structure doesn't require nails or glue. It stays together simply through the interlocking of the wood. The natural elasticity of the wood allows it to absorb energy through slight deformation during earthquakes or other external forces, providing a shock-absorbing effect. Alright, that's it for this episode. Next time, I'll take you to try some local specialties. Don't forget to follow me. Bye bye.